Alright, today I'm going to introduce you to the notion of squaring. So let's think about it. So in the word squaring, there's square, without the E. So let's draw one. So assume this is a square. So what do we know about squares? Well, we know that all the sides are the same length. And we also know that all the angles are right angles. The angles don't really matter to us for the moment, but it's good to know that they're there. So now we can look at how to calculate the area of the square. So now you remember that the way to calculate the area of a square is just do x times x. So you're multiplying one value by itself, right? Because x is the same as x. So you're multiplying the same value twice. And remember, x times x is different than 2x. Because that is x plus x, not x times x. So an easier way to write x times x is to write x with a little 2 on top, like so. And this is read x squared. So when they mean any value squared, they mean that value multiplied by itself. So for example, 5 squared. 5 squared, you can just write it as 5 times 5. You just write it as 5 times 5. Which is equal to 25. And this is all derived from the way to calculate the area of a square, thus the name, squaring.